Making my muffins. You know, it calls for things like dates and raw coconut oil. These things are hard, and if you don't want to spend 20 hours chopping them up, so one thing I do, so today, bright and early coming to you, free of makeup, just the all natural me, because if things are going to happen, it has to happen before the kids are awake. Otherwise, mom gets pulled in 15 different directions. So I'm just de-seeding, taking out the seeds of the dates, okay? This recipe calls for dates. So take these out, put it in, and then I'm making pumpkin. So this is pumpkin from, hi pineapple. This is pumpkin from last week that we cooked them up, so fresh pumpkin. And I'm just gonna put this in there so it has some liquid, okay? And then we're going to, hold on. We are going to just blend up the dates in with some of the liquid. That way you're not having to spend 20 hours. For me personally, dates are such a love thing. My grandma would make these date pinwheel cookies, and they were just divine. The other tip is, follow me to the oven. Coconut oil is one of the last ingredients that I put in, so while I heat my oven, I melt my coconut oil. You don't want it to get too hot. Go this way. Anyway, now I can go dump this into my batch over here. We have a little morning one this morning. So, and then I will take the dry ingredients and I mix them. Today, I added a little bit of this spice, pumpkin pie spice, really to get that pumpkin pie muffin flavor. And then I have my wet ingredients over here. So I've already mixed up some, it looks disgusting, but this is my eggs, my vanilla, the cinnamon essential oil. Be sure when using a cinnamon essential oil that it is CPTG.
Mama.
What?
There's cereal in there.
No cereal in there.
There's cereal in your mouth.
Make sure that it is CPTG, certified pure therapeutic grade. Unfortunately, the standards of 100% natural therapeutic grade essential oils can contain up to 80% other materials, synthetics, fillers. So I only use CPTG just because I know that if my family's internally taking these, I don't have to worry as a mama. I know things are good there. So this is my wet, this. I am going to mix the dry and wet. I am going to, obviously that stuff will be added into it, get this big old batch, and then I'll last add the coconut oil. And I do that because the coconut oil will kind of harden. The biggest tip with muffins is under mix it. You want it to look clumpy and separated a little bit. You want clumps of flour. You don't want this pure smooth batter like you would for like a cake or things like that. It needs to be clumpy. So